Morning guys, hope everyone is doing good. Okay, so in the last video we discussed about few of the Excel's basic parts, how to use it, and we are yet to continue with other options on the home screen. So without wasting any of your time, so what I'll do is I'll start up with the details. So I'm just trying to open Excel from the run menu with a shortcut key. By typing it, it's simply Excel, and when you just open it, it just opens a whole new tab, right? So out here I have an empty Excel sheet. Okay, so last time in the last two videos we have done it till the numbers option out here, which can also just pop out if you click on this one like that, right? So it's not of a use right now. So today basically we will be focusing on the styles of the data that we will be creating out here. So we will be discussing conditional formatting, format as table, and cell styles. If not possible in this video, we'll definitely be covering the conditional formatting part, right? So let's just create a basic data point so that we can use conditional formatting on it. So we'll be using names. So the first column would be names, that is John, Danny, Rachel, Mike, and whatever name we have is Stud, that is one name, and Sunny, right? And also Harry. We can also use that Potter, right? Sorry for that. Okay, so we have the names out here, and again let's go to the traditional way of creating tables related to marks obtained by John, Danny, Rachel, Mike, Stud, Sunny, and Harry Potter. Okay, so John received 56 marks out of 100, right? Total is 100. 56 is that what he received. And second is Danny, who received 85. He's really good at studies. And my Rachel received 42, and Mike similarly received 65. Stud receives 12. Sunny received 68, and Harry Potter, obviously he is one of the best, he's a wizard, so he has received 95%, right? So we have all the marks out here, so let's drag it till the bottom, and let's make this table like a table first. Okay, I'll teach these shortcuts how to use it in later videos. Okay, so we have a pretty nice table out here wherein we can use conditional formatting. So now see what exactly conditional formatting does is it actually gives you I would say a kind of a distinct view of what exactly the numbers and how exactly the numbers are being formatted, right? So what we'll do is we'll straight up go to the marks column. We'll just select this particular area wherein the conditional formatting has to be added, and once you click on conditional formatting, you will get these many options wherein you can choose from. So these are the icon sets which shows the how to format these conditional, but it has its own definition, right? You can once you create a rule, you can just go to manage rules and manage as per your set of requirements. So to begin with, I'll just start with the data bars, which is actually very easy way to deal with conditional formatting, because once you select any of the options out here, what you can see is you can see a range out here. Let me select it first. Okay, this one. So you can see out here, let me just increase the length of it. So out here, John with 56 marks, and the nearly more than half of the cell is being covered with this color, which signifies that it is more than 50%. So 56 is more than 50%. So out of 100 he received 56, which is slightly more than half of it. And accordingly Danny has received 85, which is almost the full cell. However, the 15 marks out here is just left blank, right? However, similarly, if we just go to Harry's Harry's cell, you can see almost all the I would say space has been covered with this color, because it is 95. Only 5 marks is remaining which cannot be shown in the data. Okay, so this is how conditional formatting works. So now if I just want to manage the rules that I've created, this is the rule that you've created. Double click on it, you'll receive out here. So I'll just put it as numbers. This is the type of value that okay, from 0 to 100, right? Because the marks will start from 0 to 100, right? Now here it is. So now this is the blank portion wherein the 5 marks is deducted in his test paper, right? And here nearly the half of the entire cell is blank, because he's only received 56%. 44 marks is gone, right? Similarly, if you see this one, it's 42%. 58% of the marks is blank, and it's just 12 out here, right? 12. So nearly 88% of the entire cell is blank out here, right? So this is how conditional formatting works, right? So this is a very short video which I wanted to show you how conditional formatting works. You can similarly, you can just change the formatting with, you can just create your own rule. Okay, you can use the icon sets out here. Okay, this is another type of formatting that we can use. So 56 means it's an average looking marks, 56%, right? So it is a straight, I would say, a horizontal right pointing arrow. So 85 is a good mark, so it's upwards pointing arrow, and this is also near to 50, so it's horizontal. 65 is also horizontal. You can actually define how the arrows needs to point out as per the figures that you will define. So where can you define it? You can simply go to manage rules, and you can go to this one, and then if you just click on this one, and these are the values according to which less than or equal to 67, it's upwards, and it's greater than or equal to 67 and greater than or equal to 33, it's straight. If you just change it to 50 and okay, and apply it, you can out here you can see this one changes. Rachel, let's do it again. Okay, Control Z, right? So this changes again. Control Y, which will repeat your action, this changes, right? So this is how conditional formatting works. So what you can do is you can try using conditional formatting in your day-to-day charts or Excel data and everything, so that you can represent data in terms of a specific color bars or signs or arrows and everything that you want, which will make your data a lot more attractive while looking at. And if I have to look at this data, just a glance of it, I can understand that Harry is the most brightest students among all of these 7 students, right? So and the least brightest student is Stud, right? As the name says it, he's a stud. So this is how conditional formatting works. You can go through this video, and if you like it, you please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more of it. And on the next upcoming videos, we'll be discussing formatter, table, and cell styles, right? And if possible, then also insert, delete, and format. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for your support, guys, and you have a nice day.